Hello guys, and welcome to this tutorial on how to change the text of the Blender intro template you just saw. I would tell you how to change the color, but that's a lot of work, and I mean it'll probably be like a 10-minute tutorial because it's quite a bit actually. So what you're going to want to do is download Blender from the website. If you just type in Blender on searches, if I could spell it, click on this one and then just click download. And then download it according to the software you have, so the operating system. So you might have, most of you will have Windows, some of you might have Mac, and the very least of you, like me, will have Linux. Then you're going to want to open it up, file, open, installer. I don't know how you open it. And you're going to want to extract the Bandella v39.zip file with some WinRAR or something weird like that. With Linux, it comes installed. I'm not sure if you have to install something with Windows because I don't use it. When I open it up, add file, find the file. It's called intro.blend. Double click on that or just click open Blender file. And it should open and you should be greeted with a view like this. What you then want to do is going to go to default view by going here. And then you should be able to scrub through it. And if you scrub through it, you will hear that painful sound. And I'm going to turn that off just for the sake of the recording. Now, to change the text, you're going to right click on one of the text layers. So as you know, there's two text colors. There's a silver one and a red one. So there's two different text objects. So you're going to want to do this twice. Right click on one of them, just click tab, and then change it to your name. So change it to Bandella. You're then going to want to, sorry for that. You're then going to select the second text object, click tab, and change it to the other name. Now, if you really don't like the font, you can change the font by going into this tab over here, finding this, and then finding a new font. You have to do this with both text objects as well. And now you can play it through. And yeah, it should look fine. If the text is too big, what you're going to want to do is select both of the text objects by going shift and then right clicking on the thing again. There should be like a dark orange line around it. And then all you're going to want to do is click S, and that allows you to scale. You can scale it up and scale it down. If you're not happy with what you did, just right click and it will snap back to the original position. And if you're good with it, then just click left click and it will stay there. Obviously I know all the shortcuts, so you don't need to know how I just did that. Yeah, once you've done that, all you're going to want to do is go over here into this property panel here, click on the camera, change your render output to, I don't know, your desktop. It'll just be like my new intro. And you're then going to click accept and click animate. Then it should render like this, but it should render and you should be fine. Now, if we wait, it says the time here, it says 4 seconds. Over here, once it's finished doing this, it says 4 seconds really quickly. If you then, whatever it says for you, your mileage may vary on how good your PC is. You just do 4. This is a bit of an unfair test to do this. Just go to like frame here, just in the middle of nowhere, in the middle of the thing. Render 1 frame and the smoke. Wait for it to composite, and it will say it rendered 5 seconds. And now this bit, you can figure out how long it's going to take you to render. So you do 5 times 330 because they're 330 frames, and it'll be 1650 seconds. And you can turn this to minutes, and if it still says like 7 point, I don't know, you can just turn it to hours by dividing it by 60 again. And so this will take me 27 minutes to render. And yeah, I hope you enjoy this tutorial. Please leave a like if you liked it, dislike if you disliked it, and goodbye.